The Ryco NanoCel Performance Air Filter is the perfect easy upgrade for your 4x4, offering engine protection from harsh off-road conditions in a simple drop-in solution. Ryco NanoCel air filters are also fully cleanable to keep you going on those dusty tracks. In this short video, we show you how to properly clean your Ryco NanoCel air filter. If you've gone through a particularly dusty area of your off-road trip, we recommend inspecting the condition of your Ryco NanoCel air filter as soon as possible. To begin, unclip the airbox lid, lift the filter out, and hold it face up. Then, clean out the filter using compressed air, holding the nozzle about 10 cm away from the filter. Be sure not to exceed 40 psi or 7 bar of pressure. Continue until little to no dust falls out from the bottom of the filter. From there, clear the airbox of any dust or leaves, then reinstall the filter and refit the airbox lid. Please note that cleanability does not mean that the vehicle manufacturer's recommended service interval can be exceeded. Ryco NanoCel Performance Air Filters must be replaced at the recommended service interval or after 4 cleans, whichever comes first. For more info on the Ryco NanoCel Performance Air Filter for your 4x4, visit www.rycofilters.com.au.